Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove background in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's dive in. Okay, first of all, let's open CapCut. Add the video over here on the track. Now right click with your mouse on the video. Go over here on top right and click on video section. Now select remove BG right over here and click on auto removal. And that's it. You can see my video background is removed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can remove background in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, do consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.